how to set up and configure your EFTPOS for Wi-Fi. This applies to Move and Desk 5000 terminals only. To activate Wi-Fi support, first press Function. Then key in 71 followed by the Enter key. When Activate Wi-Fi support is displayed on the screen, press Enter. Wi-Fi support will be activated and the terminal will then return to the Paymark EFTPOS screen. How to scan Wi-Fi network. The terminal will only connect to secure Wi-Fi networks and not to any open public networks. To scan the Wi-Fi network, first press Function. Then key in 72 followed by the Enter key. At Config Wi-Fi displayed screen, press Enter to configure Wi-Fi. The terminal will take a couple of minutes to scan for the available Wi-Fi networks. Once the terminal has finished scanning, the terminal will now display the available Wi-Fi networks to select. Press the corresponding number key to select the preferred Wi-Fi connection. Then select Wi-Fi cipher will be displayed on the screen. Press 4. WPA/WPA2 followed by the Enter key. At Wi-Fi password screen, key in the Wi-Fi password followed by the Enter key. Please wait will be displayed while the password is being verified. After the password has been verified, the terminal will go through the reboot process and establish a connection with the Wi-Fi network selected, and return to the Paymark EFTPOS screen. Wi-Fi configuration. How to configure your EFTPOS Wi-Fi. First, press Function. Then key in 3824 followed by the Enter key. When Config Parameters is displayed, press Enter to proceed with the configuration. Then key in the terminal ID followed by the Enter key. At this stage, the merchant ID will be populated by itself on the screen. Press Enter. Then the Network International Identifier will be displayed as 001. Press Enter. Then by default, 3 TCP IP is displayed. Press 9 for Wi-Fi, followed by the Enter key. By default, the IP primary host port number is set to 33876. Press Enter. Then again, by default, the IP secondary host port number is set to 33876. Press Enter. Then again, by default, 1 Yes is selected to use DHCP. Press Enter. Select 1 for Yes or 2 for No for DNS use, and then press Enter to proceed. Then again, by default, IP primary host DNS is set to direct.paymark.co.nz. Press Enter. Then again, by default, IP secondary host DNS is set to direct2.paymark.co.nz. Press Enter. When the Save Config screen is displayed, press Enter to save the configuration. Once at Paymark EFTPOS screen, then press the F4 key to initiate a merchant logon to establish the connection to the Paymark network.